Hey girl, welcome back to another wig video. So today I'll be installing this 5x5 lace closure wig from aliunicehair. Now let me say this, as of lately I have been really enjoying these type of wigs because they're super easy to install, super convenient, and you don't have to really worry about like dealing with so much lace. So yeah girl, so this is what aliunice HD lace looks like. Now it does not come on a pre-plucked hairline, and the knots did not come pre-bleached, but I mean it wasn't really a big deal because I'm only working with like 5 inches of lace, so it's not really going to take up a lot of my time to get this installed to look nice and neat. But I will say this, I love the parting on this wig. I haven't had a closure wig like this in a minute where the part is this clean, and I haven't did any plucking. So yes girl. So one thing that I do like, as I just mentioned about lace closure wigs, is you don't have to worry about dealing with so much lace. So even though you see me doing baby hairs on this type of closure wig, one of the great things about this wig is you do not have to do baby hairs with this look. Honestly, this type of wig is what I wear through the weekday, especially like when I want to throw on something but still look cute, because like I said earlier, this type of wig does not require a lot of skills, or you don't even really have to worry about trying to make the wig look natural or look like your hair. You just need to do just very little tweaking here and there just to get it to look like a really nice install. So the only reason why I'm doing baby hairs on this wig is because I just wanted something on my forehead, because my forehead at times can look kind of big. So doing baby hairs just helps with making my forehead look smaller. And like, look how easy it is to swoop baby hairs into this type of closure wig. And mind you, I have not did any type of plucking on this wig whatsoever. The only thing I did was bleach the knots. So this is a wig that is definitely good for beginners or someone who just wants a convenient, quick install. I forgot to mention too, like if you are a person who doesn't really care for baby hairs or don't really care to have like a scalp look with your wig installs, the 5x5 closure wigs are definitely the way to go, especially when it comes to price. There is a price difference if you go with the 5x5 wig compared to a lace frontal wig. And as you can see, you can definitely make a 5x5 closure wig look really nice. Honestly, I think just adding some curls to this wig definitely elevated the look. And then adding baby hairs also gave me the best of both worlds, like with the hairline looking like a frontal, but not requiring the time or skills that is needed to have a frontal install. And even though this is a very simple, straightforward wig and wig install, I definitely think this wig being on an HD lace made this 5x5 closure look so good, because I will tell you, all 5x5 closure wigs are not created equal. So I can definitely appreciate the HD lace and not having to pluck this wig because the lace looks so good, and the knots bleached very, very well. So I will have the information below on this wig if you want to purchase it. I do highly recommend this wig for anybody, because I feel like everybody needs a wig that doesn't require a whole lot. You can literally put it on and go, especially in the times that we're living in right now. Honestly, most of us don't have a lot of time to be worrying about our hair. So I definitely think the 5x5 closure wig is a way to go. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next wig video.